Hello dear subscribers, they will tell how to know if someone removed you from close friends list on Instagram. So if you don't see stories with round circle, green circle, so and also it could be mm, it could be cause to things that you just been removed from close friends stories. Also it could be because user just don't add story with to close friends list, but also it could be because you just removed from close friends list. So you can also just imagine it, because you will never know exactly what happened, and so just you can also just answer sorry ask user if he or she just removed you from close friends list or not. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.